Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. We're on to box number 1, numero uno, 2009 Upper Deck Heroes. We're looking for a Peyton Manning auto or something dirty. That's not cutting. There are 24 packs, so we're going to burn through this. 24 packs, 2 on-card autos, as well as 2 game-used jerseys. Let's see if we can actually get some heroes in the Heroes product, as Truthy would say from the baseball break. But here we go. Pack number 1. We got a rookie of Tyson Jackson. I'll go through the rookies pretty quickly. Benjamin Franklin, Historical Heroes, base, and the rest is base. Cards are kind of sticking together. 3 rookies in a row. Sean Smith, Graham Harrell, and our first hit is pretty sick. On-card autograph of Aaron Curry, numbered out of 25, which is the gold version of Aaron Curry. Nice looking auto there. So that's the gold version. And that team was actually just taken out, so it will be random. Sorry, Brian. And there's the 3 rookies. So I was actually thinking about picking that team up as well, but can't open this pack. Something good in it? We'll see. We got a rookie, DJ Moore, a rookie of James Lorenas, and a rookie at a 99 of Joaquin Iglesias. And the legends. Tons of rookies in this product. Flip it over. Philly Mola rookie. Aaron Curry rookie. Daryl. Actually, those are not rookies. So 2 rookies in that pack. A rookie of Darius Hayward-Bay. And the rest is base. Percy Harvin rookie. Hakeem Nicks rookie. Jeremy Maclin rookie. And a jersey card for the Colts at a 150 of Peyton Manning. White jersey. Peyton Manning for the Colts. A lot of glare on that. There it is. Yeah, 4 hits. You get 2 jerseys and 2 on-card autographs per box. So 2 hits remaining in the box. Michael Orr rookie. Andre Smith at a 35 rookie. And the rest are base. So there you go, Ryan. Got that Michael Orr. Donald Brown rookie, Tyson Jackson, Josh Freeman, and our next auto will be out of 199 rookie auto of James Lorenas.
If you owe more than $5,000 in credit card debt, medical bills, or if you're just struggling to make ends meet during these tough economic times, you may be eligible to reduce your debt by as much as 60%. Call now and talk to one of our nationally certified counselors.
Lauren-itis. Wow. I butchered that name really badly. Anyway. LaShawn McCoy rookie. Andre Smith rookie. And the rest is base.
It only takes a few minutes for our experts to find a program that fits you or your family budget. We can help you set up a payment plan for your existing policy, lower the interest rates, and eliminate late payment fees and past penalties.
James Davis rookie and another Michael Orr rookie. So there's your second, Ryan. A rookie of Josh Freeman. Laird Hamilton at a 99, Sports Heroes. And base. Sean Smith rookie, Darius Butler rookie, Malcolm Jenkins rookie. And our next hit will go to the Chargers. It'll be a Phillip Rivers. Phillip Rivers jersey at a 150. So, unless we got extra hits, the packs should be dead, but plenty of packs left. Percy Harvin rookie, Hakeem Nicks rookie, and the rest is base. Chris Wells rookie, Joaquin Iglesias rookie, base. Louise Murphy rookie and base. Jeremy Maclin rookie. Curtis Painter and Brian Cushing rookie, and Jeremy Kramer for the Packers at a 99. Just the parallel. Michael Crabtree rookie. So I'm hoping they gave us another hit here because we have like 6 more packs to go here. Mark Sanchez rookie. Pretty sick. Matthew Stafford, Sean Green rookie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. 5 packs remaining. Michael Johnson, Nate Davis rookie. Calvin Johnson numbered 1 out of 99 for the Lions, parallel. eBay 1 of 1. Pat White rookie. Vontae Davis, Chase Kaufman, and Marcus Freeman rookie. Chase Kaufman. And final pack. Michael Crabtree, Brandon Pettigrew, rookie, and the rest are base. So that's it for pack or box number 1. We'll be back with box number 2. GSN Cards is out.